In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Google Calendar, what to click, and how to bring in your tasks file without confusion. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Google Calendar in a web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. The import option we'll use is available on the desktop site. So if you're on a phone or tablet, switch to a computer for this part. Look toward the top right of the calendar page and click the small gear icon to open the quick settings menu. From there, choose settings to open the full settings view. This takes you to a dedicated page with a sidebar on the left that lists all the available sections. In the left sidebar, find and select import and export. This is where you can bring external data into Calendar. We're focusing on the import panel at the top of this page. Click Select File from your computer. A file picker will open. Choose the file that contains your tasks. If you previously exported your Google Tasks, you likely have an .ics file. If your export came as a compressed .zip, extract it first so you can select the .ics file inside. If the file picker won't let you select your file, double check that it's in a supported format such as .ics. Below the file selector, you'll see a drop-down labeled Add to Calendar. Use this to choose where the imported items will land. If you want them to live alongside your tasks, pick the calendar you use for tasks, often labeled tasks, or another calendar you prefer to keep them organized. Selecting the right destination helps you keep work, personal, and shared items neatly separated. Once your file and destination calendar are selected, click Import. Google Calendar will process the file and show you a short confirmation message indicating how many items were added. If you have a lot of tasks, give it a moment to finish. When it's done, head back to your main calendar view. You should see those tasks appear according to their dates. If some items don't show right away, refresh the page. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you see duplicate entries, that usually means the same file was imported more than once. If the import button is grayed out, recheck the file type, and if things appear in the wrong account, confirm which profile you're signed into before repeating the process. That's it. You've successfully imported your Google Tasks into Google Calendar.